Okay, we got a pretty cool street with a nice steps to it. Just to kind of give you some context of where all we are. Kind of have all these beautiful buildings all the way up here, up on this hill. We're gonna go down these steps. Go all the way down. Okay, let's get started. These are kind of cool views everywhere. So we're gonna go straight down that way, and I think we're gonna end up to the shoreline, I think. Not 100% sure. Let's go down and check it all out. Naples, Italy. Bird feather. Okay. So we got some restaurants right here. 1,000 gourmet pizza restaurants, pizzeria. Yeah, actually really nice views. Nice breeze right in here too. Pizzeria 1,000 gourmet. Okay, so we got this views up this way. Okay. Okay, really nice views here. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way to the shore, I think. Try to capture this whole beautiful balconies. Really nice street here. So I'll also just kind of show you where we're coming from. Wow, that red one looks really nice too. Okay, I'm gonna keep on walking all the way down. Try to capture this whole area. It's pretty cool. Try to capture this from this angle right here. Yeah, I think that's Pasquale right there. South Pasquale. Chia. So we're gonna try to go across the street here. If we can. We go down this way. So I think we're gonna be going towards the shore for the moment. Pretty cool space. Beautiful buildings in Naples. Whoa. Started going for the camera there. So I think we're going to be going all the way to the shoreline on this one. I'm going to see if I can get across here real quick. Got a pizza place right there. See if I can get across here. So I think we're going to be going all the way to the waterfront here. Huh. It's like kind of a cool street. Another Pasquale. Pretty nice area. Got a lot of flowers in this area too. I guess this area is called Chia Ia. Don't know how to pronounce that, but it is really nice. Let's see if there's parking to get through here. Nice over here too. This whole area is really nice. Got really nice buildings everywhere. Okay. Got a church. Okay. Just try to capture that church one more time. Okay. It's called Pasquale Street. Nice. Okay, so I think we're going to be coming out to the end here, and I think the ending is going to be a oceanfront. So another little slice of Naples for you, Naples, Italy. It's a pretty cool city. Got this beautiful park in here. I think we're basically going to come to an end here, so I'm just going to end the video.
Ma non erano così, grazie, non erano di altro. Ma come fanno a pigliare su. Buonasera Titoli, è Titoli, ma qui la Spagna, Titoli,